Now let us see various list methods. Python provides various methods that operate on list. The methods are available for list object in Python programming are given below. In general, the methods are accessed as a list variable dot method name. Okay, so the way Python provides various methods that operate on list. In list also you can operate on on various using various methods. Okay, the methods that are available for list are given below, and we want to explain those methods. In general, the methods are accessed as, okay, a list variable dot variable of the list dot method name. Okay, so append e, it just adds on element e to the end of the list. Okay, append, we want to append the variable value e. Okay, it is just going to add on. Okay, now extend sequence, all the element of a list to another list. Okay, it is going to extend all the elements to another list. Inserts the element e at the end or at the defined index. Okay, insert index comma e, you're going to, so index e will return the index of the first matched element with e. Okay, then remove e removes the first. So insert an element e at defined index ind. Remove e will remove the first occurrence of the element e in the list. Pop index within the bracket, index is the in the sense if we give the index number, pop 1 like that. If you give, it just removes and returns the element at the given index. Okay, index e returns the index of the first matched element with e. Count e, it returns a count of the number elements e in the list. Sort, it just sorts the list in ascending order. Reverse, it's reverses the order of the item in the list. And copy method will return a shallow copy of the list. Okay, for example, let us append a new element to end of the list. So t is my, this is my list, and I'm going to have used the variable t to save the list. Okay, t dot append d. So I'm going to, when I give a t, that is to display the t array, t list, this will be my output a, b, c and d. Okay, next we'll see the method extend. Extend takes a list as an argument and appends all the elements. So t1 t2 are my list. T1 dot extend T2. If I print at T1, it'll what will happen? The T2 elements will be appended to T1. Okay, so my output will be A, B, C, D, E. Next we see sort. Sort arranges the elements of the list from the lower to higher in ascending order. So my T is unsorted array of alphabets. Unsorted list of alphabets. T dot sort method will give me sorted list. To learn more engineering concepts easily, just don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.